The story of Jesus healing a blind beggar is considered gold by Markan priorists, who suppose that Matthew is trying to tone down some alleged problems by basically wiping out Mark's account. Our answer is that the troubles just don't exist. In the Markan text, there are two alleged problems that it is supposed Matthew is trying to avoid. One is the so-called messianic secret. But if anything, in deleting this, Matthew removed something favorable, which was Jesus' honorable behavior, rather than avoiding a problem. Nevertheless, Matthew has instances of Jesus doing the same thing elsewhere in the text, so even if this was a problem, he wasn't avoiding it at all. Second, and of more importance, is suppose that Matthew is somehow embarrassed that Jesus has to use spit and a magic word to accomplish a healing. But if this was an embarrassment, one wonders why John's Gospel later has Jesus doing the same sort of thing. There's actually nothing embarrassing here at all. The spittle of holy men was considered sacred. If there is anything at all Matthew may be trying to avoid, it is the use of spittle in a positive context, being that he has it in a negative context later when Jesus is spit upon by his accusers. This all suggests that Matthew had nothing to be embarrassed about, and that both he and Mark got this as part of an oral block of teachings. That was a pretty quick one, and we see again how ideology is a driving force more than literary theory. But we still have one more selection to examine. See you then.